Hi, this is Dr. Rajeshwar from YRPharmaTube. In the last video, we understood the individual anthelmintics, albendazole, niclosamide and oxamniquin. Hit the I button on top right of this video to watch it. For the other related topics of anthelmintics and medicinal chemistry, links are given in the description below this video. Watch them. In this lesson, we shall discuss the other anthelmintics such as praziquantel and ivermectin. Praziquantel, abbreviated PZQ, was approved for medical use in the US in 1982. It is chemically 2-cyclohexyl carbonyl 1,2,3,6,7,11 beta hexahydro 4H pyrazino 2,1-A isoquinoline 4-one. It is a broad spectrum agent that is active against various trematodes, that is flukes. It is a member of isoquinolines and it is a pyrazino isoquinoline derivative with anthelmintic activity. Praziquantel is synthesized in two methods. In the first method, 1-amino-methyl 1,2,3,4-tetrahydroisoquinoline is alkylated with chloroacetic acid and then resulting amine is acylated with cyclohexane carbonyl chloride to make 1-N-carboxymethyl N-cyclohexyl carbonyl amino-methyl 1,2,3,4-tetrahydroisoquinoline, which is heated at 150 degrees centigrade to give the desired praziquantel. And in the second method, the synthesis begins with isoquinoline, which is reacted with a mixture of cyclohexane carbonyl chloride in potassium cyanide to make a dihydroderivative of isoquinoline. This is reduced by hydrogen over ranitidine to give the reduction reamidation product, that is an amide 1-N-cyclohexyl carbonyl amino-methyl 1,2,3,4-tetrahydroisoquinoline. Acylating this with chloroacetic acid chloride gives a chloroacetyl derivative which when heated in the presence of diethylamine results in an intramolecular alkylation giving the desired product, that is praziquantel. Praziquantel is a white or almost white crystalline powder. It has a bitter taste, therefore should not be chewed. It is very slightly soluble in water. It is stored in well-closed containers protected from light. Its plasma half-life is 0.8 to 3 hours. The mechanism of action appears to involve the calcium redistribution either directly or indirectly. In case of helminths found in the lumen of the host, that is cestoid infection, the drug leads to muscle contraction and paralysis, leading in turn to worm expulsion. Additionally, praziquantel inhibits phosphoinositide metabolism, which by an underdetermined mechanism leads to the worm paralysis. With the intravascular welling schistosomes, praziquantel leads to drug-induced damage of the tegument of the worm. As a result, antigens in the helminth are subject to attack by immune antibodies of the host. An antigen-antibody immunologic reaction leads to the death of the parasite. Finally, praziquantel affects glycogen content and energy metabolism. Praziquantel is sold under the brand name Biltricide. It is a medication used to treat a number of types of parasitic worm infections in mammals, birds, amphibians, reptiles, and fish. In humans specifically, it is used to treat schistosomiasis, clonarchiasis, that is a Chinese liver fluke, opisthorchiasis, that is liver fluke, paragonimiasis, that is lung fluke, tapeworm infections, cysticercosis, hydatid disease, and other fluke infections. It should not be used for worm infections of the eye. It is taken by mouth. The next drug is ivermectin. Ivermectin was discovered in 1975 and came into medical use in 1981. During the COVID-19 pandemic, misinformation was widely spread claiming that ivermectin is beneficial for treating and preventing COVID-19. Such claims are not backed by credible scientific evidence. It belongs to the ivermectin family of medications. Ivermectin is a macrocyclic lactone derived from Streptomyces ivermetilis. Fermentation of Streptomyces ivermetilis yields 8 closely related ivermectin homologs The structures of ivermectins contain pentacyclic 16-membered ring agglycones glycosidically linked at the third position to a disaccharide that comprises two oleandrose sugar residues. The side chain at the 25th position of the agglycone is secondary butyl in ivermectin B1A, whereas in ivermectin B1B it is isopropyl. Ivermectin contains at least 80% of 22-23 dihydroivermectin B1A and no more than 20% 22-23 dihydroivermectin B1B. Ivermectin is a white or yellowish white crystalline powder. It is slightly hygroscopic and is practically insoluble in water. Ivermectin exerts its anthelmintic effect through binding and activating glutamate-gated chloride channels expressed on nematode neurons and pharyngeal muscle cells. This causes increased permeability of chloride ions, causing a state of hyperpolarization and results in the paralysis and death of the parasite. Ivermectin may exert its antiviral effect, including its potential activity against severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2 by binding to the importin alpha beta 1 heterodimer, which is responsible for the nuclear import of viral proteins such as the integrase protein. This inhibits nuclear import of host and viral proteins and may inhibit viral replication. Ivermectin is sold under the brand name Stromectol. It is a medication that is used to treat parasite infestations. In humans, this includes head lice, scabies, river blindness, onchocerciasis, strongyloidiasis, trichuriasis, ascariasis, and lymphatic filariasis. In veterinary medicine, it is used to prevent and treat heartworm and ascariasis among other indications. It can be taken by mouth or applied to the skin for external infestations. This is the list of references followed for the lesson. That's all in this video, the Anthelmintics, Praziquantel and Ivermectin. In the next lesson, I will talk on a new topic. Till then, never stop learning and never stop watching my videos. Thank you for watching this video.